Hello, what's going on, everybody? This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, man. I trust you're blessed. I trust you're well. I trust everything is going well with you guys. This is a live account. I know, like every time I post something, afterwards people have to send me a message and ask me whether I'm trading on a live account. So I want you guys to see something, right? This is trades that are currently running, including this profit here. This is about 294 plus 500 or so. I was almost at 500 to it. I don't know. But you look at this account, I started it today maybe with some like 600 to 700 pounds. And I'm already doubling or tripling it. I don't know which is which. But the thing is, I know I'm in profit, right? So that's it. That's it for the account. Now I'm coming here live today because I need to say something with regards to a couple of things that I've been seeing, you know. Guys, my project is growing really big, and I didn't anticipate that it will grow in such a space to this magnitude, right? Like, I'm looking at the way I'm helping people. People are contacting me with their profits and all that stuff. And some of these people are not even my mentees. And also, even with my mentees, I'm like failing to comprehend the stuff that is going on. And also, like, I'm even having issues with managing time because I have to do sessions all the time. And I'm thinking I'm losing it because I'm losing my social life, man, which is not all right. My whole vision in this was to start this thing and assist people, not for me to lose myself in the process. But in any case, guys, you see the consistency in what I'm doing, and thank you so much for watching my videos. Please share my videos. I see some people sharing my videos on Instagram and on such different networks, and I appreciate, guys. I'm gonna be doing a lot. Just keep sharing. I'm gonna be rewarding a lot of you guys so that people may be enlightened about what we're doing out there. Now, this is the thing, guys. Just to manage my time and also be effective with my students, this is what I've resorted to do. I'll be only doing sessions 3 days a week. That is mainly Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, you know. And that is mainly, I'll be doing sessions on beginners into my approach, intermediate approach, and also the advanced approach of my strategy and the Forex market as a whole. But listen, guys, the whole point in this is for me to manage time on my side and also don't lose myself. At the same time, helping people. You know, most of my students, or almost all of my students, so far the ones that I know, they are making profit, although some are still struggling with consistency because there is a psychological part to it. The way I present this thing in my sessions, I make it look so easy that you won't believe yourself. But then this is what I'll be doing. I'll be doing sessions like 3 days a week from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Saturday we may do 2 sessions, depending on whether Friday we do sessions, because sometimes on Fridays I'm not available. So, but Saturdays and Sundays it's a must. We must be having sessions, right? Now, I'm also going to be posting my official Telegram channel here and my official Instagram and Facebook channel, because I'm seeing that a lot of times people are being scammed, all in the name of, I do not manage people's accounts. I don't do that. I do not manage people's accounts. And regarding the account that I'll be linking with you guys, I'm most likely to get a feedback this Friday, and if all goes well, by Monday we'll be starting. Just send me, if you don't have my link, just send it to me, on look at my previous video that I shot and see my WhatsApp number there and send me your message. Please don't register a demo account, go live. So I noticed that there are some people who are from other countries who are not accommodated by my broker. I'll try and make a plan, but for now I'll be linking accounts. As soon as everything is updated, I'll come back to you and give you update. But for now, just register with the broker and make sure that your details are verified so that you can deposit. As soon as I start, I don't want anybody to be left behind. Guys, I'm not making any pledges or anything. I'm just committing myself to assist you. The only reason why I'm doing this is because of my students and also the people who are coming to view my channel. I know this will help you guys. So I trust you're blessed. I trust you're well. I'm going to be running promotions of funding people's accounts soon. Just keep sharing my YouTube videos and my content. And God bless you all, guys. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, signing out.